Good morning to all of you. Today in this class we will learn how to write the short form or standard form of the following numbers. Two examples are there. What we have to do? We have to write the short form or standard form of the following numbers. Go to the first example. Okay. Children, you can see many numbers are there. We have to write the short form of this following numbers. How? For that, we have to make a place value chart. Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now, you have to place these numbers in their respective houses or respective places. How? Start from your right side. The first digit is 4. So 4 belongs to ones place. 4 ones is equal to 4. Then go to 50. In tens place there is only 1 0. So 5 tens is equal to 50. Okay. Only 1 0 means it will goes to tens place. So 5 tens is equal to 50 over. Then go to this number 200. In hundreds place, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros means it will goes to hundreds place. So what is the digit? 2. 200 is equal to 200. Then 4,000. 000, 3 zeros belongs to thousands place. Okay. 3 zeros means it will goes to thousands place. So what is the digit? The digit is 4. Okay. 4,000 is equal to 4. After that you have to write 3 zeros. Okay. Then go to this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So 4 zeros means it belongs to 10,000s place. So what is the digit? We have to write 5. 5 10,000 is equal to 50,000. Then go to this number. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. So 5 zeros means it will goes to lakhs place. Okay. In lakhs place there are 5 zeros. So what is the digit? We have to write 2. Okay. The digit that we have to write is 2. 2 lakh is equal to 2. After that there will be 5 zeros. Then go to this number. How many zeros are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. Okay. So 6 zeros belongs to 10 lakhs place. In 10 lakhs place, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. So what is the digit that we have to write? We have to write 6. Okay. 10 lakh is equal to 60 lakh over. So what is the number? The number is 6 to 5, 4 to 5, 4. Then go to the second example. Okay. In this example, so many numbers we can see. Similarly, this way we have to write the place value chart. Okay. Now start from your right side. The first digit is 2. So 2 belongs to ones place. 2 ones is equal to 2. Then 10. Only 1 0 means it will goes to tens place. So 1. 1 10 is equal to 10. 2 zeros means it will goes to hundreds place. 300. Write the digit 3. 2000. 3 zeros means it will goes to thousands place. So you have to write 2. This number 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros are there. So 4 zeros means it will goes to 10,000s place. So what is the digit? The digit is 3. Then this number 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros are there. Okay. So in lakhs place there are 5 zeros, but in this number there are 6 zeros. So in lakhs place we will put 0. Okay, because this number belongs to 10 lakhs place, not lakhs place. Okay, 10 lakhs place. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros means it will goes to 10 lakhs place. So the digit is 4. Okay, then go to this number. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros are there. So in crores place 7 zeros are there, but in this number 8 zeros are there. So 8 zeros means it will goes to 10 crores place. So the digit is 9. In crores place nothing mean put 0. Okay, then what is the number? The number is 90403231 2. Practice well, children. Thank you.